Every year, more than 20 million vacuums are purchased in America, but only a fraction of these are disposed of properly. Most brands engineer their vacuums to be disposable and offer little access to replacement parts. This ensures you'll buy a new vacuum as frequently as a new phone, but vacuums are so much larger and use a lot more plastic than any smartphone. This is harming our Earth at an alarming rate, but absolutely no one seems to know this is even an issue. UpVac hopes to change this. Our goal is to raise awareness while offering a simple solution. So when it's time to dispose of your vacuum, you have a way less harmful to our planet. At UpVacs.com, you can find participating stores that offer your vacuum a second chance at life, recycle it, or dispose of it in a less harmful manner. Many of these stores can even fix your vacuum for you, saving you money, all while reducing the amount of vacuums you purchase and dispose of. Some even offer incentives to dispose of your vacuum with them. Please take a moment to share this video and help raise awareness of this issue.